kids from my school subbing to me be like, oh wow, look at this. Subscribes. Wow, let's go into her shorts. Oh my, why is she crying? Oh my god, the audio is oh my god, that's what. What is this? Oh, that's ugly. Bro, what is this? Oh my god, what is this? I want to see what this is. Let's see. Oh, nice animation, but yeah, it's just not interesting. Wow, this is nice art. But what's in their most popular videos? Oh, what is this? Oh my, bro, no. Oh, what is this? What is that right there? Oh wait, oh my god. How come this has 80k views when it's look at it. Okay, anyways, what the hell is this? 90k was that? I'm sorry. Wait. What the hell? Bro, this thing is giving me a bombastic side.